Hello again, BIO100, and welcome to the lab portion of our Week 10 module. In the lab portion of this module, we're going to do three main things. The first thing we're going to do is take a quiz related to our previous material. But if you recall, the last module we did was actually our reading about scientific literature module, and the main thing we did in that module in terms of our product was writing a missing abstract for that paper we read about the microbiome differences in individuals from different geographic regions and what factors might be correlated with that. So just like we talked about previously, how writing is a continuous iterative process, for the quiz this week, instead of having multiple choice content type quizzes, what we're going to do is similar to what we did last time, is give you a chance to revisit what you turned in for your final missing abstract, review the feedback that I gave you, see what could be improved still, and then give you a chance on this quiz to actually identify what needed to be changed and then explain how you would change that. Again, the purpose of this is to approximate the real process of scientific writing, where even after we turn in a manuscript to a journal, for instance, it always still will come back to me and I'll still have to fix more things. So we're really just trying to give you as many opportunities as possible for revision, and also to give you a sense of what it's like in quote unquote the real world. So that's the first thing we're doing, is the quiz. The other thing we're doing this week is having a synchronous meeting with me and the other members of your group. So just like we've done in the past, go ahead, communicate with the other members of your group, find a time slot within our normal Wednesday morning class time that works for you, and sign up for a 15-minute meeting time with me. And then the last main thing we're doing in the lab portion here is our second writing assignment. So we did one of these writing assignments previously in week 5, I believe. And the goal here is for you to pick one topic that we've covered so far in BIO100 and describe how it relates to your everyday life. So for the second writing assignment, the overall idea is the same, but the content that we're letting you choose from in terms of what to write about is since that previous writing assignment. So basically between week 6 and right now, week 10, choose one topic we've talked about in BIO100 and write about and reflect on how it relates to your everyday life. Personally, for me, I think this module we just did, the climate change module, might be easiest to describe how it's directly applicable to your everyday life, but you could definitely find things from the other modules as well. Totally up to you. So that's the main idea for that main lab activity we're doing. It's not like a worksheet or anything like that, but again, it's a writing assignment like we've done previously to continue to help you build your writing skills, but also let you think about how the things we're learning are directly relevant and applicable to your everyday life. Research shows that that will help you increase your motivation to continue to stay engaged in the course. If you understand why what you're learning is important, you'll be more likely to think it's interesting and to put effort into it, which makes sense. So those are the things we're doing this week. Again, if you have questions, let me know, let Maddie know. Available through email, discussion boards, lots of options for us. And I look forward to seeing you in our meetings this week.